Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Graduate. If it's your first time here, subscribe below so you don't miss any videos. Let's get started. So today we'll be speaking about LinkedIn, the 3 most common mistakes I'm seeing a lot of international students and graduates do in their LinkedIn. The first mistake is that they have an unprofessional photo in their profile. Now your profile photo is the first thing that anyone will see in your LinkedIn, so you really want to have a professional photo. It might be that you don't have access to a professional camera, and that's okay. With your iPhone or any smartphone, you can go portrait mode, plain background, and shoot a really nice photo that really reflects a professional image. Because LinkedIn is a professional platform and therefore the image has to be professional. It is estimated that having a professional photo increases your chances of being messaged by 32 times. So you really want to convey a professional message, especially in your LinkedIn photo. The second mistake I see a lot of international students and graduates do in their LinkedIn is that they say looking for a job or looking for an internship in their tagline. Your tagline should be the value you add to the world. So your tagline should be the value you add to the employers, it should be what your degree is about, it should explain what field you're in. So if someone opens your profile or reads your profile on LinkedIn, they know exactly what industry you're based in. They can always see that you're open to work or that you're still a student in your profile, but you don't want to be in that tagline. The third and last common mistake a lot of international students and graduates do on their LinkedIn is they ask for a job in their first message. If you're about to connect to someone you haven't met, establish that connection first. Connect with them saying, I'm looking forward to engaging with your content. I'm looking forward to learning from you. I look forward to hearing your tips. I look forward for your mentorship. People love to help. People love to offer their advice, love to give their own story, but they don't like it when you ask for a job in their first message. So a key thing here is to establish a connection. You can always meet up in person and explain your situation, but asking for a job in the first message is not the right way to go about it. Hope you found some value in today's video. Subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you on the next one.